Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. So this week is going to be completing your midterm. You also will continue journaling, so you're on the second week of journaling now, and you will begin your ethics and health and wellness signature assignment. So you will complete the step 1. If you are here, it will identify Step 1. So you really need to select one of the topics from the list below. So topic 1, topic 2, and topic 3. So once you identify which topic you're going to be using, you need to fully and carefully read each supplied background source before completing setup step 1. So make sure if you select topic 1, you are reading through each of these sources. Topic 2, you have this source 1, source 2, and then this debate that you can listen to as well. So it's going to be really, really important that you are understanding which topic you're choosing, because once you identify which one that you're going to move forward with, that's the one that you've selected. I won't allow you to go back and change your responses. So that is step 1, that you'll complete for block 4, and we'll go back here. So like I stated, you'll have your midterm this week. In order to prepare, you're going to use a method which is very highly effective, and you'll be creating and sharing an exam that you make for one of the chapters in the book. And you'll also take the exams of your peers. So I've assigned you a chapter based on your last name. If you have 2 last names or a hyphenated, choose the first one. So you'll go through and identify which chapter you're responsible for and create your exam. You'll go to this site, title your quiz such as above or right here, exercise health science 155, your last name, which chapter, review. And then you'll go through and for the quiz type, select show a score and grade, and then you'll add a question and you'll select multiple choice. So then you'll write your own questions and answers. You need to supply 4 answers and mark one of them as correct. You can mark more than one, but please don't do that for this assignment. Try to make the incorrect choices as tempting as possible. The purpose is really to have the test taker understand why the correct answer is correct or not. Create a total of 15 questions and include a mixture of basic facts along with application questions. You'll click save and then share. You'll copy the link, and then I would recommend saving that into a Word file. And then you will open a new browser, paste your quiz link, and make sure that your review quiz is working correctly. Then you'll create a discussion board post with the chapter you were assigned, and then paste your quiz link, hit enter to go down a line, and it should create that hyperlink. Obviously hit submit to save your post, and then take your peers quizzes. You need to take at least 3 peer quizzes. Each one must be for a different chapter, and none of them can be for the same as your own. Then you'll need to respond to your original post about what your score was, what did you like about the quiz, what could have been improved, make sure these are constructive, and then use the star icons on the original post to rate how good of a review that you think the quiz is for that chapter. So you'll be doing that a total of 3 times for each peer response. And then finally, you'll click here to take your midterm exam. Again, this is going to be due on the Sunday of week 4. Let me know if you have any questions. No new material, just a review of the previous information, and then continue journaling and start ethics step 1. Thanks.